So I'm going to show you how you can use Pine tools to split your carousel posts. So you come to pinetools.com/split image. The link is in the PDF guide. So just click on that and then you come to the website. Right here you see choose image. You can click on it and go straight to wherever your images are. You have to download your images from Canva first of all, then you use that to upload it. My images are right here. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag it. I'm just going to drag it here. So this is it. It has uploaded, and then right here you see the options how to split the image, vertically, horizontally, or both. So if you have the carousel that looks like this, that is just 5 images across, you would click horizontally instead of vertically. I know it's confusing, so you click horizontally and then you click on JPEG or whatever format you want. This is a 5 post carousel, so I'm going to be splitting it into 5. So I'm just going to click that and then you split the image here. So the 5 posts are here and you click on them to download them. So once they are downloaded, you just go to your downloads and you will find it there. So this is one of it. So this is how it's going to look. I hope you understand how to use it. So if your carousel post is has more than this, all you just do is to increase the quantity, and then if you need to split it vertically, then you click vertically. If you need to split both, depending on the number of grids you have, then you use both and then you split it. So yeah, that's how to use it. It's really easy. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up and comment down below. Also, if you would like to get my templates, I'll leave a link down below. Have a good day.